Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to insert a comment into a slide. Now I have a slide here just with a picture on it. This happens to be a picture of Boston, and if you want to insert a comment on this slide, you go up onto the ribbon and click on comment, and when you do that, this little box appears down here. Over on the right hand side I can type in my comment. Is this Boston? So I can move my comments anywhere I want on the page. I'm going to click away from it and I've locked it in. Now this comment I could literally put right on the image. If I want to reply to that, and again, if this is a shared presentation, I can type in, yes it is. And there we go. If I click away from it, that locks it in. If I want to put in another comment, here it is, up in the top left-hand corner. I can turn it and put it anywhere I want. Is the sky blue? And again, this is just a real easy way to look at these comments. Okay, so if you're trying to even leave a note for yourself, like put another picture of something on this page, you can leave a comment or a note for yourself. So it really works out well. Ladies and gentlemen, working with comments is very easy.